Will this magical combination put a spell on you? Avada Kedavra. The boy who lived, come to die.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Hello! I had some fish. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Tostones sliders and some Pikliz. Pikliz! Pikliz! This condiment is just like me. Last to be Piklized. We all have different kinds of childhoods. Let's get to it. First up. Still got it. We're going to start by slicing some cabbage. I'm using white cabbage here, but feel free to use purple cabbage. Just don't use orange cabbage.
For the last time, I'm not cabbage.
You are whatever the I say you are. Slice your cabbage. Ooh, yeah. That's some fresh cabbage right there. Finally slice your cabbage. Whoop. Pass the cabbage. About 3 to 4 cups of shredded cabbage, I guess. Next up, you're gonna wanna get yourself an onion. Hey, stock video baseball player, hook us up. Movie magic. Yeah. About half a sliced onion. Oh, it burns. It burns my eyes. My eyes are on fire! Onion and cabbage are here. Next up, we're gonna grate some carrots. And don't worry, if you've only got baby carrots, just use a baby grater. It's gonna take a minute. Silly. And remember, the most humane way to kill a vegetable is to sever the carotid artery. Just kidding, it's like this. No! Carrots are good. Now grate your carrots. Put your carrot in here. I'm gonna use about 4 scotch bonnets. Oh, and if you didn't get your scotch bonnets in Scotland, they're actually just blended whiskey bonnets. Fun fact. Be careful around your eyes, because then they'll burn your eyes. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Yeah. 2 teaspoons of salt. Waka waka. And I'm also gonna use a packet of Sazon Goya. Goya big or Goya home. You wanna get the con culantro y achiote. Con culantro y achiote. Más o menos. Te quiero. Bueno. Gato. An entire packet goes in. 2 cups of vinegar goes in. Woo! We don't want chunks in here. And then you have beautiful scotch bonnet juice. Woo! That's a party in my face. Now we're gonna pour the habanero juice onto your things here. Yeah. You don't have to use gloves here, but you really should. Make sure everything is sitting in that delicious habanero juice. Now put this in the fridge for about 3 days and then you're gonna be left with something amazing. And after 3 days, you're left with this. I forgot that I used purple cabbage the first time. Continuity's stupid. Let's make some tostones. First, you're gonna wanna get yourself some plantain. Hey, stock video girlfriend, you wanna pick up some plantain while you're at the grocery store? The watermark is still on. I refuse to pay for companionship. Whoop, like that. Ooh, like that. Yes, like that. I don't know the best way to remove the skin from plantain, but all you gotta do is your best. And remember guys, if plan A fails, you can always have plantain. Traditionally you would fry these twice, but I like to oven bake them first and then fry them. Tostono! Stop it. I'm gonna put these in a 425-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Whew. Where do farm animals like to sit? On the couch. If that joke offends you, feel free to tell my producer.
Joke's on you, I'm the producer.
We're doing little meatballs first. I'm using medium ground meat, but feel free to use anything you want. I did kid.
Little balls, little balls.
A little flattening. The flattening. Whee! Look at you. Whatever your favorite seasoning is, salt, pepper works great also. Boop, boop, beep, beep, bop, boop, beep, bop, beep, bop, boop, beep. Great. And now we're gonna do the thing I haven't done in 11 months. We're gonna smash. And then one little, like that, and that's that. Perfect little fun thing of fun. They don't have to be perfect, they just have to be delicious. Look at how much fun we're having. So much fun. A bit of oil goes in. While we wait, let's make some burgers. Hamburgers! There it is. Throw a little bit of butter down. Oh, I have some cheese. Yeah, yeah, we're gonna put some cheese in there. Looby dooby doo, where are you? Now let them cook a little bit. Look at that, nice little color. Transfer these to a nice little rack. Very carefully put this here, and we're gonna bring this oil to 350 degrees, and then we're just gonna fry these up. You just wanna give them a nice golden brown, that's all it is. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, that's pretty. And you put it on a paper towel, a little bit of salt on top once they're out, and that's how you make tostones. I put you down first. On the bottom, I'm just gonna place a little bit of red pepper jelly. Adds a little sweetness to our relatively savory dish. A little hamburglar goes right there. Just for fun, we're gonna add a little thing of cheese. Just gonna char a little bit of cheese on top. A little quick meltage. Just a little Pikliz to say hello, and a little bit of mayo. Like that. And now we're gonna do this 8 more times, and it'll be perfect. Tostones sliders. Now you too can. And now I eat you. You got the heat of the Pikliz, a little bit of beefiness. Tostones are so good. Can't focus, I don't care. Focus on this. Good food is good. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Bye, friends.